I'm gonna get started installing the floors in the bedrooms today. It'll be a little bit of kind of back and forth. So I'm gonna do the bedroom and do our bedroom and then kind of move everything over, do the other bedroom, then kind of work my way out of those rooms. But it's gonna get a little tight up in here. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna get started and see how much we can get done today. Master bedroom's all finished. A few spots to hit with the sander before we stain, but all in all, pretty nice. And if you guys want to know what it's like to work yourself into a corner, this is how it works. So I need to get into this room, but I lined it with wood. Can barely get out this door. I'm gonna start on this room, and really what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay the first 4 sheets before I remove the rest of this stuff, and then I'll just have to take it out once I make space in the hallway. So we'll see how it works out. we are finished laying down the floors, the wood floors, and everything turned out really nice. I know I say that a lot, but it's because I do the work. Everything laid really well. We went back this morning and sanded all the areas that were just, I needed to like feather a few edges in, but nothing was too crazy. And then today, we kind of prepped everything this morning to get ready to start staining the floors, but I thought I'd walk up real quick and show you the unfinished or unstained floors before we get started. So I've got to go in and change my boots to my slippers. So give me a few minutes and then we'll take you inside. All right, slippers are on. So here we are. Make sure my feet are dry. This is the finished installed floor. Just waiting to get stained. That's the pantry, and then you can kind of see this is the hinge we'll be using on the crawl space door, sort of like a barn hinge. And there'll be two of those, and then a recessed handle to pull the scuttle up. Dana's in here prepping for stain. I'll scoot past you. This is the guest bedroom floor. And then into our bedroom. So we're just getting ready to stay in the bedrooms. That's where we're going to start at least and kind of see how it works out. And then we'll work our way into this great room and then hit the pantry as well. We should be good to go. From there, we'll probably just give it a few days to do its thing and then we'll start laying poly on top. But otherwise, that's pretty much the finished installed plywood floor. And like I said, we're going to get started today on staining, so I guess that'll be one of the next videos. And hopefully there's really not much to it. I can't say that we have some master way that we're going to lay the stain or we're going to apply the stain. I mean, we've stained things millions of ways, but this is a much bigger floor, so we thought about using, a pad, and then we thought about rolling it, and really we just want to do it by hand. So that's probably what we'll wind up doing today, sort of like a sponge and a rag as well. And we'll see how that works out for the bedrooms and see how they turn out. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to wrap it up and we'll bring you guys back when the stain is down and maybe the poly's all set and all that good stuff. But thank you guys as always for checking out the videos. And we'll take some really good pictures of the floors when they're done. I know it's difficult to kind of show them off and show them up close and stuff with just the phone, but hopefully when it's all done, we'll snap some photos. You guys can get a better idea as to what they look like. But thanks for checking in, and we'll catch you guys on the next video, man. Peace. Don't.